Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, April 5th, and it's laundry day on the good ship Magnolia. I realized that I had not posted anything showing you how I do laundry aboard. There's not always a convenient laundromat ashore, so I took steps before left the States to make sure we could do laundry fairly simply aboard. The primary thing I did was get this little washer and spin dry unit. Ordered it on Amazon. It's the second one I ordered. The first one was a single, washer spin dry combined unit, and it wouldn't fit through any of the doors. I didn't measure carefully enough. So anyway, I fell back, regrouped, and ordered this one. And so the washer's on this side and the little spin dry thing's on this side. So I've got stuff in ready to go. That's spin drying, and the water that comes out of that goes into the bilge, pumps overboard. This is the washer side, and got, I think, a pair of shorts and 2 or 3 t-shirts in there right now. But it does a lot better job than using a bucket of water with some detergent and a toilet plunger, or I've seen these hand crank units that you put it in a drum and crank it by hand. Try and make sure that I'm using environmentally friendly detergents, no phosphates, biodegradable. You can hear the generator running. That's why I have the companionway slats and hatch closed. The generator's running in the background because all of this is running on 120. I've got clotheslines hanging in the cockpit, as you can see there. And it usually doesn't take very long for these things to dry, because by the time it spins for about 3 minutes, and it gets pretty much all the water out there just damp. So it works pretty well. Been fairly pleased with this unit, and when it's not in use, it's stored on that side shelf back in front of the life jackets there. And so after what's in there, basically all I got left to do is sheets and a couple of towels. Anyway, I thought y'all would get a kick out of seeing how this works. I basically am using a lay day here at Spanish Wells. I'm anchored outside, or to the west of an island called Meek's Patch, and the wind's blowing out of the east, and it's supposed to be in the 20s today and tonight. And then tomorrow we're all set. The engine's off the dinghy's in the davits to do a passage. And it'll probably be about a 65 mile passage tomorrow to Big Stirrup Key at the top of the Berries, and there is a anchorage there called Great Harbor. And the plan is to get there tomorrow late afternoon, anchor overnight, and then from there head north to Lucaya, which is on the south side of Grand Bahama Island, and that will also be another long day passage, but that will get me within range of doing a crossing back across the Gulf Stream to Lake Worth, Palm Beach, Florida. So the plan is to get back to the States within the next probably 4 days. So in time to get my taxes done and filed and start heading north. Anyway, all for now.